2024, folks, one-of-a-kind F-150 four-wheel drive, 2024, 13,000, call it 14,000 miles, 6-inch lift kit, new wheels and tires, white with the dark black interior, four-wheel drive with the lift kit. Folks, you don't find this anywhere else in Middle Georgia except for One Stop Auto Sales right here on the Gray Highway between Macon and Gray, 2838 Gray Highway. You can give us a call at 478-741-8009. Drop hitch receiver, backing up sensors. You've got a bed liner. Folks, this is absolutely one stunning truck. Absolutely beautiful. Anyone out there looking for a truck already made to impress, this is it right here. 2024 with 14,000 miles. Look how absolutely clean. This is excellent rated truck, folks. Running boards, lift kit, all the technology you could want. Running boards, all the technology you want. Backup cameras. You also have a camera to see forward as well. You got a front camera and a rear backup camera. All your trailer brakes already equipped with the vehicle. Let me go ahead and shut this thing down and show you a quick little thing about the, look at this. All the technology you could ever want on a pickup truck right here at One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway. Or give us a call, 478-741-8009. Set an appointment to come see us. Give us a call. We're waiting for your call, folks. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.